Yes. And one of the things that not a lot of individuals talk about when running a Facebook campaign is you need to track the bounce rate of the traffic going to that page. Okay.
Tell me about that.
So just like how everyone installs Google Analytics on their properties when they first start a domain, a lot of people forget that bounce rate is basically the equivalent of whether or not a person who lands on your page is truly interested in what it is that you are running, right? Mm-hmm. So if I send 100 visitors to my page about why they should buy X product, and I notice that 50% of them are bouncing, they're leaving the site upon entry, I may be targeting the wrong audience here. And the only way you would know is having, well, A, tracking links for everything that you're targeting, and B, well, diving into your analytics. And a lot of people forget, and I've been a person who's done this before. I mean, a lot of us have made this mistake. Yeah. We run an ad and we forget to put the analytics on the page. We forget to put the tracking. We just go ahead, set up the tracking link for the ad, but we never set up tracking for the page. And so we never quite see the bounce rate. So if you're sending hundreds and hundreds of people a day to a site and you're getting a 75% bounce rate, one, the traffic is not interested in what you have to offer. And two, how are you going to decipher those other 25, 50, 100 people who are interested when your pixel's being built up of people who don't care? So you need to be able to look into your data and go, is this audience truly interested in what I have to offer? And if they're only bouncing 25 to 35% of the time, that's normal. So you're on to something where people are really interested in what you have to say, and you might want to scale that type of campaign.